So if I were to go around and move this camera out right here, you can see that my camera pans around here and there. But let's say what I want to do is I want the camera to focus on a particular target position. In that case, you can go around and set a target position in your camera as well. So to do that, over here in the composition shot, you need to go around and select out the camera right here. And then what you can do is under alignment right here, you can go around and select out towards target position right here. Once you do that, what happens is that, let me just go around over here onto two views right here. You can see that a target position is set right here. So as I move along the camera, you can see that you can set a particular target position. And once you do that, what happens is that if you were to go around and move this out, you can see that a target position is set right here. And as you move along, that particular object is actually focused upon right here, just like this. So as I move along the camera, you can see that this is what you have right here. So as I go around and click on this camera, you can see a target position is set. And then as I move along the camera, it actually focuses on that particular object right here. So if I were to go around and zoom in and zoom out, you can see that I can go around and change out the target position right here. So you can go around and click and drag this in, and the target position changes right here. So it can be the object behind as well. And now what happens is that the object behind will be set as target position. But as I were to go around and click and drag, now this is the target position. And similarly, you can go around and then move in and out right here, and the target position will be set accordingly, just like this as well. And this is what you have, as you can see. And this is how you can go around and change around the camera alignment towards the target position so that the camera actually focuses on a certain angle right here. And if I were to go around onto a transform right here, this is where you can go around and set around the target as well. So there's the target position right here that you can adjust as well. And as I go around and then work around with, let's say, for example, position, you can see that the camera focuses on target position. So you want to make different camera movements by focusing on a certain target, then this is what you can do. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.